So right here, what I'm doing is, I should have showed y'all the whole complete thing was me taking out the back seats of this Ford Focus that I done took out the back seats to, which I'm cleaning out this whole trunk and stuff because we did take apart this whole front end because it was wrecked. Took these seats out right here. I'm gonna take these dirty seats out. I should clean them up and put them back in there. I don't know yet. I'm having problems with this one bolt right here. Every last one came off, but I gotta figure out how to get that. That's gonna be a pain in the ass. Everything else came on perfect. Car starts and runs. I'm gonna line this fender up right here with the rest. Put these old control arms back on there so we can junk it. Swap these tires out. Take these back tires, this back seat out right here, and use it for this one. I want to take this whole dash and stuff out too, but I ain't got to. That's cool though, right here. You know what I'm saying? Other than this, it's a whole parts car. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna take this motor out today and put that motor right there out. Cause this one worked and that one don't. So we're gonna have a 2014 Focus motor that works for sale. You know? Yeah. Focus. Non-parts car. Yeah.